Why am I not getting enough subscribers, or not getting subscribers on my channel at all? The main reason for this is because I'm not uploading enough videos. Most YouTubers upload at least 50 to 100 videos per month to their channel, and they keep to the same kind of content as they have done for a few years. This is why they get a lot of subscribers. Second of all, they have the same branded channel banner, logo and thumbnail design, and the videos are all related. So basically, if you have a good thumbnail and the banner art and the channel logo are very good and high quality standard, people are more likely going to subscribe. Also, bearing in mind that you have to have a featured video on your channel to keep your viewers entertained. Another thing I would say is uploading videos that are like tutorials on how to get subscribers help, because you can always remind your viewers to subscribe, because about 90% of your audience probably haven't subscribed yet, as they haven't actually watched most of your videos. They're only being suggested a few of them. The higher watch time, the more suggested your videos will become, and eventually you'll have a lot of people watching your videos and you'll have a growing fan base. Also, lead some of your viewers away to another social media, grow a fan base on there, and then you can notify them when you made a new video, so they will be more likely to watch your videos and subscribe through that, because they will be viewing your Instagram or Twitter account and they will come back to your main channel. Enjoy this video, like and subscribe, and peace.